The launch of Howl on next-gen consoles promised an unparalleled adventure into mystical realms. However, players on PS5 and Xbox Series X have encountered a less magical experience, marked by frequent crashes and performance issues that interrupted their journey into the game's enchanting world. Howl aimed to blend breathtaking landscape with deep, narrative-driven gameplay, offering a sanctuary of gamers seeking escape and excitement. Yet, the dream has been somewhat tarnished by technical disruptions. Imagine being fully immersed in a battle against mystical beasts or solving ancient puzzles that guard secrets of the realm, only for the game to abruptly crash, pulling you back to reality. This recurring issue has sparked discussions across forums and social media, with gamers sharing their experience and seeking solidarity in their frustration. The anticipation of exploring Howl's vast, interactive world has been dampened by the unpredictability of these technical hiccups, leaving players yearning for a stable adventure. Addressing Howl's crashing issues on PS5 and Xbox X requires a multi-pronged approach. Developers should prioritize patches to optimize performance, while players can ensure their console firmware is up to date and clear cache regularly. Reducing the game's graphical settings may also provide a temporary respite until a more stable update is released. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.